Hi, I'm Varsha and you're watching this video from justtutors.com. In this video, we are going to learn about quadrilateral and polygon. So the topic for today's video is different types of quadrilateral and different types of polygon. But before moving to our topic, we'll try a warm-up question. Here is a warm-up question for you. To try this question, you can pause the video. So you can identify the shapes here. This is four-side shape. So this is a rectangle. As you can see that in this picture, opposite sides are equal. Now you can see that here, this is a triangle. Now we move ahead about this. This is a parallelogram. And in this picture, as you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there are 6 sides. So this is hexagon. So these are the names of the different shapes over there. Now we move ahead and we're going to discuss about quadrilaterals. So as the name suggests, quad means 4. So those pictures which have 4 sides are called quadrilateral. And quadrilateral is a polygon. Why? Because a polygon has a 2D shape made up of straight lines and it should be a closed figure. And quadrilateral has all the 3 properties. That is why we consider a quadrilateral as a polygon, and a quad means 4 sides, so a polygon with 4 sides is known as a quadrilateral. Now here are some examples of quadrilateral, which is kite, trapezoid, rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle, square. And as you can see that all of them are two-dimensional, made up of straight lines, and all are closed figures. So these are the examples of quadrilaterals. Now we are going to learn about some special types of quadrilaterals. So the first one is rectangle. So basically a rectangle have 4 sides and 4 right angles. All the angles of the rectangle are right angles. They have 2 lines of symmetry, one from here from the center and one from here from the center. All rectangles belongs to the parallelogram family. Why? Because rectangle has opposite sides equal as well as parallel. So they are considered as a part of a parallelogram family. The opposite sides are parallel and equal in length, as we have already discussed. Now we are going to learn about square. So squares have 4 equal sides. All the sides of the square are equal. This is the difference between the square and the rectangle. That rectangle has opposite sides equal, but square have 4 equal sides with 4 right angles. Rectangles have 4 lines of symmetry. How? Along this line, diagonally as well, like this. This is 4 lines of symmetry of a square. All square belongs to a rectangle family and rhombus family and are also parallelogram. So square belongs to 3 families, which is rectangle family. Since rectangle belongs to a parallelogram family, so square also belongs to a parallelogram family and square also belongs to a rhombus family. Now we move ahead and we're going to discuss about parallelograms. So parallelograms have 2 pairs of parallel sides. As you can see this picture that these 2 are and these 2. They are parallel. So 2 pairs of parallel sides. And some parallelograms have lines of symmetry. That totally depends on the shape of the parallelogram. But most do not. But generally parallelogram do not have lines of symmetry. Now what about kites? Kites have 2 pairs equal sides. This is the first one. This is the second one. Now what's the difference between a parallelogram and a kite? So as you can see that parallelogram has opposite sides equal, but in kites they are having adjacent sides equal to each other. And it has 2 pairs of equal sides, because if all of them are equal, then this is going to be a square. So kites have 2 pairs of equal sides that are adjacent to each other. Now we move ahead and we are going to learn about polygons. So as we have already discussed that polygons are two-dimensional shapes. They are made up of straight lines and they are always closed. Or we can say in short, the shape is enclosed by lines are polygons. So basically polygons are further classified as regular polygon and irregular polygon. So regular polygon is a polygon that is equiangular and equilateral. That means all the angles are equal as well as all the sides are equal. But in irregular polygon, any polygon that is not a regular polygon, that is classified as an irregular polygon. So a polygon in which at least two sides are of different length, or in which the interior angle are not all of them same measure, that means the angles are not same, then we classify it as regular polygon. So this is the difference between, so that we classified, sorry, that will be classified as irregular polygon. So this is the difference between a regular polygon and irregular polygon. Thank you for watching the video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.